right, so what we have here is one of the most spectacular snakes you will ever see anywhere in the world. This. You're all right, buddy. Okay. I know. This is the California Red-Sided Garter Snake. And you can just see, you're okay, these absolutely spectacular colors. That bright red, bright teal blue. I mean, come on. It does not get much better than that. So these guys are a close cousin to the extremely endangered and protected San Francisco Garter Snakes. They both have the same kind of coloration, but these guys have checkers down there, red back, whereas the San Francisco Garters pretty much just have plain stripes. So both absolutely spectacular snakes, but these guys are a little bit more common and luckily doing pretty well in the wild because, as you can see, there's just not many snakes in the world that are more stunning than this. I'm so happy to see one of these guys, and absolutely, you know, one of the top two, at least, garter snakes in the world. So really cool snake, just hanging out here, basking a little bit mid-morning on the edge of a pond, and you know, getting some warmth here in Northern California. So just absolute specimen of a snake, and one that I've wanted to see for a long time, the California Red-Sided Garter Snake. Oh, you're all right, buddy. How cool is that?